Hello students, this is Professor here, and today we are going to continue with the same exercise, okay, and that is exercise 3.2. okay. So here the question we are going to start is number 4, and the question is saying, in a garden a farmer plants 9,216 saplings in a row to form a square. So he is planting the saplings in such a way that he is forming a square. Okay, so you know what is square, isn't it? So square means having equal length and breadth. Okay, so in this case, having equal length and breadth means he is planting the saplings in a row. Row means like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. So in order to make it as a square, what he has to do is he has to plant in one row, how many plants will be there? That should be equal to the number of rows. For example, if there are 4 rows, so in one row there should be only 4 plants, 1, 2, 3 and 4 plants, in such a way. Okay, means the number of rows, I will write it here in words. Since he is forming a square, okay, he is forming a square, so what will happen? Number of rows should be equals to number of saplings in each row. Means whatever is the number of row, like if he is planting the saplings in 14 rows, then the number of sapling in each row, in one row there should be 14 saplings itself. Okay, did you understand? Okay, so let the number of rows be x. So suppose he is planting the saplings in x rows, means he is making x row. Okay, because we have to find the number of sapling in each row. Then number of sapling in each row is how much? Each row is how much? X itself, because number of rows should be equal to number of saplings in order to form a square. Okay, then now hence total number of saplings equals to how much? X into x. Why? Because he is planting in x rows, and in the number of saplings in each row is x. Okay, did you understand? In one row there are x saplings and we have x rows, so total number of saplings would be x into x, isn't it? And then it will be implies, so we have the number of saplings as x square equals to how much? But the total number of sapling is already given as 9216, isn't it? This is also total number of sapling, this is also total number of sapling, so we can equate it. Okay, so x, then in this case what will be x? X will be equal to under root of 9216, because in one hand side I am removing the square, means in the other hand I have to put the square root. Okay, so can you find the square root of 9216? Yes, isn't it? So how will you find? By prime factorization method. First you will do with 2, 2 4 is 8, 2 6 is 12, 2 0 is 0, 2 8 is 16. Again with 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 0 4. Again with 2, 2 1 is 2 1 is 5 is 2. Again with 2, 2 5 is 10, 2 7 is 14, 2 6 is 12. Again with 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 8 is 16, and 2 8 is 16 again. Again with 2, 144. Again with 2, how much? It will be 72. Again with 2 it will be 36, isn't it? So again with 2 it will be 18. Again with 2 it will be 9. Again now with 3, 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3. So it will be x will be equal to under root of 9216, means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 into 2 threes, right? Next what I will do, I will start pairing 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So x will be, now I am removing the root by taking only one factor outside the root. Okay, so 1 2 will come here, out of this to only 1, 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 and out of this to only 1. So it will be how much? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 3s are 96. So the number of saplings in a single row is how much? 96, and he is planting in 96 rows. Okay, so this is how you will do. Okay, so I hope you know how to find the square root. Okay, so this I am quickly finding the square root, and I got it as 96. So 96, I got the answer. So therefore number of saplings in each row is how much? 96. Okay, so next we'll move to the next question, and find the least square number which is exactly divisible by each of the numbers 8, 12, 15 and 20. Okay, that we'll do now. Okay, so to do number 5, that is we have to find the least square number which is exactly divisible by each of the numbers 8, 12, 15 and 20. We have to first find the LCM of, firstly LCM of 8, 12, 15 and 20. So what is it? So I hope you know how to find the LCM of 8, 12, 15 and 20, right? So I'll find it here, 8, 12, 15 and 20. So I'll first do with 2. 2 4 is 8, 2 6 is 15 will remain as it is, this will be 10, again with 2. So 2 2 is 2 3 is 15 will remain as it is, this will be 2 5 is. Okay, next again with 2, so 2 1 is 2, 3 15 5, next with 3, so it will be 1, 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15 5, next with 5, 1 1 1 1. Okay, so therefore LCM equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to make a pair of this LCM. So 2 and 2 will be the pair. Okay, but we don't have pair for 2, 3 and 5. Okay, to complete the pair, so to complete the pair, what we'll do, we will add one more 3, we multiply with, so to complete the pair of this 2 we need 1 2, to complete the pair of this 3 we need 1 3, and to complete the pair of this we need 1 5, isn't it? So with 2 3 5 we get, what will you get? 2 into 2 is already there, into 2 into 3 into 5, again with into 2 into 3 into 5, because we are multiplying with this to form a exact pair. Okay, so next we will multiply all this. So this is how much? 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24, 24 5 is 120, 122 is 240, 243 is 720, and 725 is 3600. So this is the required number. So this is the perfect square which is divisible by all of these numbers. Okay, so this is how we will do number 5. So next we'll do number 6, and the question says find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers should be multiplied so as to get perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square thus formed. Okay, so number A is 3072. So according to the question, this is not a perfect square. Okay, this is not a perfect square. You have to make it a perfect square by multiplying with something. So you have to find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers should be multiplied, so that to get the perfect square means we have to find the least number with which we should multiply this 3072 to make it a perfect square. So next what we'll do, we'll prime factorize this one. So if we prime factorize 3072, then what will you get? With 2 1s are 5s are 3s are 6, isn't it? So next with 2 again, 2 7s are 40, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are again with 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, again with 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, again with 2. So it is 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12, again with 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, again with 2, 2 24, 2 12, 2 6, 2 3, 3 1. So we have 3072 equals to how much? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 10 twos, that is 2 into 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 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 into 1 3, isn't it? So now we'll form a pair, 1 2 3 4 5. So what will happen? 3 is remaining alone, means we don't have a pair for 3. Okay, so you have to write, while forming the pairs of a factors, we are left with, or you can say the factor 3 is left unpaired, so it doesn't have pair. Okay, then that is we have to find a pair for it. So to find the pair for it, we need one more 3, isn't it? So we have to multiply with 1 3. So we need 1 3 to make it a perfect square, isn't it? So to make it a perfect square, we need 1 3, because only 1 3 is remaining unpaired. Okay, so hence 3 is the least number, so we have to multiply with 3, with which we need to multiply 3072 to make it a perfect square. Okay, so this was the first part. So next, what is the question is saying? Also find the square root of the perfect square thus formed. So that means we have to first multiply 3072 with 3, isn't it? Because we have already said that the 3 is the least number with which we should multiply 3072. So 3072 into 3. Okay, next, now what we have to do is you have to find the square root of this. So 3072 into 3 is how much? 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 2 9, isn't it? So now you have to find the square root of 9216. Therefore, now next, so what will you do? You will prime factorize 9216, isn't it? So with 2 4s are 2 6s are 0 8. So with 2 again, 2 2s are 2 3s are 0 4, again with 2 1s are 5s are 2s are, again with 2. So 2 5s are 2 7s are 6, again with 2, isn't it? So 2 2s are 2 8s are 2 8s, again with 2, 144 with 2, 72 with 2, 36 with 2 again, 18 with 2 again, 9, now with 3, 3 is a 3 ones, isn't it? So therefore 9216 will be equals to how many 2's? 10 2's, isn't it? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 2 3's. So what is the square root? The square root of 9216 is how much? We'll form the pair and we'll write only one factor for each pair, isn't it? So 2 2, only 1 2 will come. Out of this 2 only 1 2 will come. Out of this 2 only 1 2 will come. Out of this 2 only 1 2. Out of this 2 only 1 2 and 1 3 from here. So what is it? 2 2s are 4. It is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 3s are 96. So 96 is the square root. Okay, so this was the second part. Second part was very easy, as we have already said that 3 is the least number with which we should multiply 3072 to make it a perfect square, isn't it? So now we are making a perfect square by multiplying it with 3072 with 3. So we've got 3072 into 3 as 9216. So you try to find the square root of 9216 and it is 96. Okay, so this is how you will do. So next, number B, number C and D, I want you to do it as your homework. Okay.